Funny thing which I got. A teen's mother shoots an intruder and what do you call it? Shoots an intruder. So they want to look, and that teen's mother is claiming that porn movies and is having the portable hard disk inside that house and a clone phone of that intruder. Hmm? And what do you call it? Over there, she wants to make the actress of that teen should be actress in that porn movies, and that intruder is with a clone. Huh? So this is the thing. Yeah, like रे they wish they all the time they wish this should happen, that I should see them, I should, but it never happens, and it will never happen, honey. I go out, you get into my house to show that your daughter is getting fucked here. You spread rumors of my false marriages with your daughter. You make your daughter pregnant by that Shalizar used condoms and Shalizar pigs. I said before that 2 months Fox were offered. You got my answer, right? I would have taken that offer if I would have. 2 months Fox I got offer. I would have taken that. You getting this, but so honey, you are only here for money. There is no intruder. You are the intruder. There is no intruder. You are the intruder. With the clone phone, you have to shoot yourself one day now. Actually, you are not that even rich. You don't have gun. You have to stab yourself or hang yourself someday before the world tries to kill you. So that teen want to become actress in porn movies, and they have to portray an intruder, and that teen already had that come inside her from the used condom, and with the Shalizar took. And there is one more thing, the marriage rumors as well. The teen is already spreading marriage rumors as well, and the teen is watching me jerk off from Edinburgh. Now it's a new story that the teen mother shoots the intruder, which she spreaded rumors of marriages already. They wish, Baba, they wish. I wish the world should get cubic. Will it happen? No, right? It's a sphere. So you cannot wish something which cannot happen. You cannot wish something which cannot happen. Die now in your own wishes. Intruder, bench, and they are entering my house and they are showing that her daughter is getting fucked here while I am out. Who is fucking her daughter? Intruder. Marriage rumors. वहाँ के लोग भड़क गए थे. बहुत लोग तो मेरा थोबड़ा नहीं देख रहे थे. Intruder. They wish of an intruder all the time, so they can fuck them, mother and daughter both. I mean, so they can have that fuck. That's why they watch me from Edinburghs. I mean, yesterday itself you get the news now, Baba. 2 months fuck I was offered. I didn't even fucking bother to look. I mean, I know my fucks, Baba. It's not your prostitutes because even in your prostitution racket, I didn't select you. So it was very useful to show your category. It was very necessary to show your category. In your prostitution racket, I didn't select you. And they wanna. The money is also sent into that teen's mother account from fake bank account or the daughter's account. You are dying from your own hands. And teen mother, the teen is getting money from the fake bank account. Teen mother plants an intruder. So why didn't she shoot? And why didn't she yell? And why didn't she gather people? Chutiya sale. And the teen is getting money from the fake bank account. And the teen is spreading rumors of marriages. And the teen is what? What is next? Getting pregnant as well from the used condom. And the teen is entering the house while I am out. And she wants to show that she was getting fucked here. क्या रे बाबा, you wish this all the time. All the time you wish for this, and it's not happening. I 2 months fuck. I said I don't know fucking what do you call it? I didn't even bother to look at the face. Hut. I know my fucks, Baba. Those are not you. Those are not you. You wish. I make a move from here. Files are already started getting viral from last night. Because you put hands on portable, everyone got angry now. And you will be blamed for it. And over that, you did the most stupid thing, you made the nudes from Edinburghs, and nudes are planted in that portable as well. You're fucked. You're dying in your own defamation now. You're fucked very badly now.